Mastering English. Understanding to a fault. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, to a fault. You might have come across this phrase in books, movies, or maybe in a conversation. Understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your fluency and comprehension of English. So, let's delve into what it means to do something to a fault, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. To a fault is an idiomatic expression that means having too much of a positive quality. It's a paradoxical phrase because it suggests that someone can be so generous, honest, or kind that it becomes a negative trait. Let's dissect the words. To typically means reaching up to a certain point. A fault means a flaw or a weakness. When combined, it's like saying a good quality has reached a point where it's almost a flaw. Let's look at some examples to understand how to a fault is used. She is honest to a fault, which sometimes gets her in trouble when she should be more tactful. His dedication to his work is to a fault, leading him to ignore his health and personal life. In both examples, honesty and dedication are generally positive traits. However, to a fault indicates that these traits are excessive and can lead to negative consequences. Using to a fault in your sentences can add nuance and depth to your descriptions of people or situations. Here's how you can use it. When describing someone's character, my teacher is patient to a fault, waiting for everyone to understand before moving on. In self-reflection or self-assessment, I am loyal to a fault. I sometimes stay in situations longer than I should. Remember, it's a phrase best used to describe an excess of virtue, not vice. Be careful not to confuse to a fault with simply having a flaw. It's specifically about an excess of something good. Also, it's not used to amplify negative qualities. You wouldn't say someone is lazy to a fault, because laziness is generally not considered a positive trait. I hope this explanation helps you understand and start using the phrase, to a fault. It's a great way to show nuance in English and can be quite impressive in your conversations. Remember, while it's good to have positive traits, moderation is key. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice what you've learned. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.